Bismillah, in this video I'm going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 2 May-June 2021. Number 1. The probability that Jane wins a game is 7/10. Find the probability that Jane doesn't win the game. So 1 minus 7/10 equals 3/10. Jane plays this game 50 times. Find the number of times she expected to win the game. Expected number, the probability to win, which is 7/10, times number of times, which is 50. 35. Calculate the fourth root for this number. So use your calculator to find the answer. 0.4. Number 3. Emma has 15 mathematics questions to complete. The stem and leaf diagram shows the time in minutes it takes her to complete each question. Complete the table. Mood, how to find the mood. Mood is the most common or the most repeated. We have this number repeated the most. So this number, to find this number, so look for the key. 20 means 20, so 16 means 16, so the mood 16. To find the median, we need to find the order of the median. We have 15 values, we have odd numbers, we have 1 at the middle. To find the order for this one, 15 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 16 divided by 2. So the median will be the 8th value. So start from the first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 8 values. So to read this value, 1, 1, this means 11. So the median, 11. To find the range, the greatest value minus the least value. The greatest value, 20. The least value, 3. So 20 minus 3, 17. Number 4. Write down an expression for the range of k consecutive integers. To understand this equation, if we have 2 consecutive integers, for example 2 and 3, the difference between them, or the range, 1. If we have 3 consecutive numbers, the difference between them, 2. If we have 4 consecutive numbers, the difference between them is 3. So if we have k consecutive numbers, consecutive integers, the difference between them should be k minus 1. Number 5. Henrik draws this scatter diagram. Put a ring around the one correct statement about the scatter diagram. It shows no correlation. It isn't possible to tell you if there is a correlation, as there are not enough points. It shows a negative correlation. It shows a positive correlation. Because we have only 3 points, so we cannot judge. So it is not possible to tell if there is a correlation, as there are not enough points. Now for B, each of the 4 scatter diagrams shows the same set of data. A line has been drawn on each diagram. Complete the statement. The line in which diagram, in diagram what, is the most appropriate line of best fit. The line of the best fit, line between the points, such the number of points above the line is approximately the same like the number of points below the line. So we'll find that in diagram C. So diagram C. A rhombus has side length 6.5. The rhombus can be constructed by drawing 2 triangles. Using a ruler and the compasses only, construct the rhombus. Leave in your construction arcs. One diagonal of the rhombus has been drawn for you. We know that in the rhombus, the diagonal divides the rhombus into two congruent triangles. So we need to draw two congruent triangles. The side 6.5, open your compass with radius 6.5, and from this point, draw arc up and arc down, and the same for that point, arc up and arc down. The two arcs, for example, if this 6.5, draw arc and arc down, and in the same way, by the same way, arc and one more arc. Now you can draw the rhombus. I don't have compass in this app, so I'll just explain how to do. So this is the rhombus. So use your compass and ruler to draw the rhombus by the same way. This side 6.5 centimeter. All sides are equal in the rhombus. Number 7a, complete the statement. The reciprocal for 0.2 can be written as 2/10, or in the simplest form 1/5. So the reciprocal for this number 5/1 or 5. A prime number between 90 and 100. Between 90 and 100 we have one prime number, which is 97, because all the rest is not prime. 7/5, 0.6, √7, 8, √9. Find from this list, write down an irrational number. Irrational number, the number we cannot write as a fraction. So this number rational, this rational, this number 8 rational, √9 equal 3 rational, but this one we cannot find the square root for 7, so this irrational number. Number 8, a equal b squared over 5c. Find b when a 5.625 and c equal 2. Now substitute, both equal. A 5.625 equals b squared over 5c, 5 times 2, which is 10. Now multiply 10 by 5.625 to get b squared. So b squared equal 56.25. Now to find b, square root the answer. So 7.5. Without using calculator, work out 2/3, divide 1 and 3/7. Write your answer as a fraction in simplest form. So 2/3. Now convert this mixed number to improper fraction. So 1 times 7 equals 7, plus 3 equals 10, so 10/7. Now to divide, keep the first fraction, change divide to multiply, find the reciprocal for the second fraction, so 7/10. Now if you can simplify between 2 and 10, we can divide by 2. This one is 5. Now multiply. 7 times 1 equals 7. 3 times 5 equals 15. So 7/15. Next, number 10a. Write this number in standard form. So make this number, change this number to be between 1 and 10. So decimal point between 6 and 5. So 6.54. Multiply by 10. Decimal point move 3 units to the right. So multiply by 10 power negative 3. Now b, the number 1.467 times 10 power 102 is written as ordinary number. Write down the number of zeros that follow the digit 7. To find the number of zeros, we need to cancel the decimal point first. So we need to multiply by 1000 to cancel the decimal point. If you multiply by 1000, you need to divide this by 1000. So you need to decrease the power by 3. So 102 minus 3 equal 99. So we have 99 zeros. So again, this number can be written as 1467 when we multiply this number by 1000. So we need to divide this number by 1000. To divide this number by 1000, so this means decrease the power by 3. So times 10 power 99. So now we have 99 zeros because this whole number. Write the recurring decimal 0.04 as a fraction in its simplest form. So you can use your calculator because this one mark. So this means 0.040404 till full screen in your calculator. Then you get the answer directly. Equals 4/99. 4/99. Number 12a. Universal is the integers greater than 2. A, the prime numbers which is greater than 2. B, the odd numbers which is greater than 2. C, the square numbers, of course greater than 2 because all of them part from the universal. Okay. Describe the type of the numbers in the set. Not B intersect C. Not B means not odd, so this means even. Intersect C, this means square number. And because both follow the universal, so even square numbers greater than 2. So describe, this means even square numbers greater than 2. Complete the set labels on the Venn diagram. So we need to know which one of them B, which one C, which is one A. So it's better to write the first elements from each set. The prime numbers greater than 2, which is 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. The odd numbers greater than 2, so 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. The square numbers greater than 2, this means 4, 9, 16, 25, and so on. So now we can deduce that A included in B, A subset from B. So this is A and this is B. So this set A and this set B. So you can deduce that this set C. For B, shade the region, not D, union, E intersect F, all not. So if you have union between two sets, so shade this region and shade that one and leave all. So not D, shade all the region around D. All the region around D. So all this region around D. So this not D. This not D. Now union, so this means add for your shading. E intersect F, not the intersection between E and F. This is the intersection between E and F. So shade all the region around this one. So we need to shade this one. So this is the shaded region. So all region except the intersection between the three sets. Number 13, A, B, and C are points on the circle, center O. DA and DC, two tangent. Angle ADC equal 44. Work out the value of x. We can find the value of x if we can find angle O, because angle x equal half angle O. To find angle O, we have radius and tangent, so this angle 90. Same for angle ACO. Now in this equation we have 90, 90, 44, then we can find angle O. So angle AOC equal 360, because the sum of all is 360, minus 90 plus 90 plus 44 equals 136 degrees. Angle AOC 136. So angle X equal half 136. So angle ABC or angle X So x equal 136 divided by 2 equals 68. Number 14. The diagram shows a trapezium. The trapezium has one line of symmetry. If the trapezium has one line of symmetry, this means this side equals that one. This side equal that one. Work out the area of trapezium. To find area of trapezium, we have the height and we have one base. We need to find the other base. So we need to find this base. Now, because this isosceles trapezium, so if we drop line, so this distance equals that one from symmetric, because this isosceles trapezium. So this side equals that one and the same height. So this distance equals the same distance. So now if we consider this distance x, so this also x. And now because this rectangle, so if this 15.4, this also 15.4. So to find the length of the base, we need to find x. We can find x from this triangle. We have the angle and the adjacent. We need to find the adjacent. We have the opposite. So using tan, you can find x. So tan 62 equals x is equals 18.2 over x. Opposite over adjacent. Now we can find x, switch between tan and x. So x equal 18.2 over tan 62 equals 9.68. So now the base, this base equal x plus 15.4, so equals 9.68 plus 15.4 plus 9.68 equals 34.76. So the area of trapezium equals half into base 1, which is 34.76, plus base 2, which is 15.4, times the height, which is 18.2, equals 456 to 3 significant figure. Number 15. Complete the table showing information about the congruence of pairs of triangles. The first two rows have been completed for you. All diagrams are not to scale. So we need to complete the third row and fourth row. So the third one, we have two sides and included angle equals two sides and included angle. So they are congruent. And for this for SAS. Number 4, we have three sides, 4.5, 5, 4, 4.5, 5, 4. Three sides equal three sides. So the two triangles are congruent. And for which case of congruency? S. Now for the last one, we have right angle in both, and the hypotenuse equals the hypotenuse. But now we have 65 and 35, they are not equal. And if we find the third angle for each triangle, the third angle for that one, 180 minus 90 plus 65. So this angle 25. And if we find the third angle for that one, 180 minus both, you get this angle 55. So now they are not congruent, and there is no case in this one. Number 16, A is a point 57, B 9, -1. Find the length of AB. The length of AB, square root x minus x, so 5 minus 9, all squared, plus y minus y, so 7 minus -1, all squared, equals 8.94 to 3 significant figure. Find the equation of the line AB. The equation of the line, we need to find the gradient of the line. y2 minus y1, so negative 1 minus 7, over x2 minus x1, so 9 minus 5, so negative 8 over 4, so negative 2. So the equation of the line y equal negative 2x plus c. To find c, substitute by a or b. If we substitute by a, which is 5 and 7, now 7 equal negative 2 into 5 plus c. So you can find c, negative 2 times 5, negative 10, go to the other side by positive, so c equals 17. So the equation y equal negative 2x plus 17. Number 17, find the gradient of the line that is perpendicular to the line 3y equals 4x minus 5. We need to find the gradient of the given line. So 3y equals 4x minus 5. Make y the subject, so divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. Now y equal 4 over 3x minus 5 over 3. So the gradient of the given line 4 over 3. So the gradient of the perpendicular negative reciprocal, so negative 3 over 4. So negative 3 over 4. Number 18, f x equal x squared minus 25, gx is x plus 4. Solve f g x plus 1 equal g f x. So we need to find f g x plus 1 first. G x plus 1 equals x plus 1 plus 4, so x plus 5. Now put in f, so this will be x plus 5 squared minus 25. We can expand x plus 5 will be x squared plus 2 times 5 times x, so 10x, and 5 times 5, so 25. Minus 25, so this cancelled, so the answer x squared plus 10x. So this is the answer for the left hand side, this f g x plus 1. Now we need to find g f x. To find g f x, put f in g, so x squared minus 25 plus 4 equals x squared minus 21. So this is the right hand side. Now equate them and solve the equation. So x squared plus 10x equals x squared minus 21. X squared cancelled. So 10x is negative 21. Divide by 10x is negative 21. Divide by 10, so x is negative 2.1. Number 19a, the diagram shows a shape made from equilateral triangle ABC and sector of a circle. Points B and C lies on a circle, center A. The side length of equilateral triangle is 12.4. Work out the perimeter of the shape. Work out the perimeter of the shape. So, because this equilateral triangle, so the sides are equal, so this side is 12.4, 12.4, 12.4, so this side 12.4. And because this equilateral triangle, so the angles are equal, this angle is 60. So you can deduce that the angle of the sector is 360 minus 60, so 300. So now we need to find the perimeter. So this segment BC plus the arc. The length of the arc, the angle 300, so 300 over 360 times 2 by r, which is 12.4, plus this is the length of the arc, plus this segment, which is 12.4, equals 77.3 to 3 significant. B, the diagram shows two sectors of a circle. The major sector is shaded. The area of the major sector is 74.5. Calculate the radius of the circle. Area of major sector equals the angle of the major sector, which is 360 minus 41, which is 319. So 319 over 360 times by r square, this is the area of the measured sector, equals 74.5. Find r square first. 74.5 divided by 319 over 360 times pi. Then to find r, square root both sides, so r equals 5.1723, significant figure. Number 20, expand and simplify. So multiply x minus 2 times 2x plus 5 first. X times 2x, 2x squared. X times 5, 5x. Negative 2 times 2x, negative 4x. Negative 2 times 5, negative 10. Combine the like terms, so 2x squared plus x minus 10. Now multiply the answer by x plus 3 times 2x squared plus x minus 10. X times 2x squared, so 2x power 3. And now x times x equal x squared. X times negative 10, negative 10x. Same. 3 times 2x squared, 6x squared. 3 times x equal 3x. 3 times negative 10, negative 30. Combine the like terms. So 2x power 3, x power 2 plus 6, x power 2, 7, x power 2. Negative 10 plus 3, negative 7x. And we have negative 30. 21. The force of attraction F newtons between two magnets is inversely proportional to the square of the distance d between the magnets. D, when d equal 1.5 equals 48, find an expression for F in terms of d. Because inversely proportional to F equal k over the square of the distance, so d square. Now d 1.5 when F 48, so 48 equals k over 1.5 square. Now cross multiply to find k. So k equal 108. Now F equal 108 over d square. 108 over d square. When the distance between the two magnets is doubled, the new force is N times the original force. Work out the value of N. Work out the value of N. So now, because this is inversely proportional, so if the distance multiplied by 2, so the force divided by 2 square, so divided by 4. This means like multiplied by 1 over 4, because divide by 4 and multiply by 1 over 4 is the same, so this means N is 1 over 4. 22, simplify. We need to factorize the numerator and factorize the denominator and cancel the common factor. For the numerator, no common factor, and we have a trinomial, so 2 brackets. You can use your calculator to find these 2 brackets. So mod 5 is 3, then enter A and B and C. Solution, x is negative 1.5, but write as a fraction, so negative 3 over 2, and the other value x equal 4. Now you can make the bracket from these 2 solutions. So multiply by 2 first, so it's 2x. Then transpose negative 3 to the other side by positive, so 2x plus 3. And for x equal 4, 4 go to the other side by negative, so x minus 4. So this is the 2 bracket, and you can check your answer. 2x times x equal to x squared. 3 times negative 4, negative 12. Positive 3, negative 8, so we have negative 5. For the denominator, we have common factor, which is 3x. So now write 3x. And you are left with 3x times what equal 3x squared times x minus 4. Now cancel the common factor. So you are left with 2x plus 3 over 3x. 23. Find all solution for 4 sine x equal 3 and x more than or equal 0, less than or equal 360. First, make sine x is the subject, so divide by 4. Divide by 4. So sine x equal 3 over 4. Now with your calculator, find the angle which has sine 3 over 4. So sine inverse 3 over 4 equals 48.6. Now look for the sign. It is positive or negative? It's positive. From the asterisk rule, sign is positive in the first quadrant or the second quadrant. So theta, which is 48.6, and 180 minus theta. So the two solutions for this equation, 48.6 and 180 minus 48.6 equals 131.4. So the two solutions, 48.6 and 131.4. 24. Solve 1 over x plus 1 plus 9 over x plus 9 equals 1. First, make single fraction from them. So multiply the denominator, x plus 1 times x plus 9, and cross multiply to find the numerator. So 1 times x plus 9 plus 9 times x plus 1. Now simplify this fraction. 1 times x equal x plus 9. 9 times x equal 9x. 9 times 1 equals 9. So 9x plus 9. And we can multiply the denominator. X times x equal x squared. X times 9, 9x. 1 times x equal 1x, or x. 1 times 9 equal 9. We can simplify more. For the numerator, we have x plus 9x, which is 10x. And 9 plus 9, 18. For the denominator, we have x squared. And 9 plus 9x plus 1x equal 10x. Plus 9. This equal 1. Now this means 1 over 1, cross multiply. So 10x plus 18 equals x squared plus 10x plus 9. You can cancel 10x with 10x. So now you are left with x squared and 18. 9 go to the other side by negative. So x squared is 18 minus 9, which is 9. Take the square root, so x equal positive or negative 3.